Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is your boy Sam at PCH Custom Audio. We have decided to close down temporarily in response to the Safer at Home order. But in the meantime, we're going to be launching a virtual sales program. Now, what that means for you is that one of our team members can see your vehicle through your phone to get you the best service and the best price. Additionally, we have over 6 payment plan finance companies. So that means that we can get you approved. DM us today, send us your phone number, and one of our team members will get back to you soon. Don't wait, book your install today and stay safe.